Dear students, we have learned the preparation of petrol through catalytic reactions and polymerization process. Also, we have learned the reformation of petrol. Now, let us categorize the petrol. So, to categorize the petrol, that is, what type of petrol is it, that is the rating of the petrol, we need octane number and cetane number. Octane number for grading the petrol and cetane number to grade the diesel fuel. Let us learn it in detail. The octane number is the percentage of isooctane which is present in a mixture of isooctane and heptane, which resembles the knocking characteristics of the gasoline, that is petrol fuel, under test. So, if the percentage of isooctane is more in the petrol, it will be a good quality petrol compared to the percentage of N-heptane. Now, isooctane is a branched structure. I have written the structures here and showing this. This is the N-heptane, which is straight chain hydrocarbon, and isooctane is very much branched, 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. Therefore, we can say if branching is more in the petrol, it is a good quality, and if there is no branching, a straight chain compound, then the quality of the petrol will be poor. Let us understand it even in more detail. So, as I have said, the isooctane, that is 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane, is arbitrarily fixed at 100, and the N-heptane is given a value 0. So, in such a case, the straight chain hydrocarbon has a very poor anti-knock characteristics. Therefore, if the percentage of isooctane in the fuel is more, better is the quality of the fuel. This proves that more the branching in the hydrocarbons, better is its anti-knocking characteristics and better is the rating of the fuel, that is petrol. We can see with the help of an example. If the percentage of isooctane and N-heptane in a fuel sample is rated as 65, then we always give the rating of isooctane in the fuel. So 65 is the percentage of isooctane. Then what is the percentage of N-heptane in such a fuel? It will be 100 minus 65, which is 45. So the percentage of N-heptane is 45 in the sample. The cetane number is defined as the percentage of N-hexadecane present in a mixture of N-hexadecane and alpha-methyl naphthalene, which resembles the knocking characteristics of diesel fuel under test. So, cetane number is for rating the diesel fuel. And here, the N-hexadecane, which is a straight chain hydrocarbon, is given a much higher value than the alpha-methyl naphthalene, which is given the value as 0. So, if the percentage of N-hexadecane is high, the diesel is of better quality than the fuel which contains more branched structures in it. So, here we give arbitrarily N-hexadecane as 100 and alpha-methyl naphthalene is given as 0. So, if the straight chain hydrocarbons are present in the diesel is of better quality than with the one which contains more branched structures. And the percentage of N-hexadecane shows that the diesel is of better quality. We can differentiate octane and cetane number now that we have learned both of them. So, we can make a table and learn the differences. So, octane number is to rate the petrol, cetane number is to rate the diesel. In the gasoline, that is petrol, if the straight chain hydrocarbons are there, then it is considered to be of poor quality. But in the cetane number, that is in the diesel fuel, if the straight chain hydrocarbons are more in the diesel fuel, it is considered to be of better quality. The knocking in the petrol engine is due to the sudden ignition of the last portion of the air-fuel mixture, whereas in the diesel engine, it is due to the delay in the spontaneous ignition of the first fraction of the diesel fuel. The anti-knocking agents used in the petrol are TEL, TML, diethyl telluride, etc. And in the diesel fuel, they are ethyl nitrite, ethyl nitrate, isoamyl nitrites, acetone peroxide, etc. So, this is how we grade the fuels petrol and diesel. Thank you.